to this Pakistan innings, 134 for 2 and projected at the same rate. They'll get to 167. They'll want more than that. And with these two men in operation, Shoaib Malik and Babar Azam, partnership 34 from 23, they could well do some damage. Look at the mini bowling. Samuel Badri will bowl now. He'll bowl his 4th over, his final one.
It's going to be very crucial for the World 11 to break this partnership, because in the last game also we saw these two, when they are at crease and when they're well set, it becomes very, very difficult to bowl out these guys. So break this partnership.
That's gone a long way up. Miller takes it. Samuel Badri gets the breakthrough. They needed that.
Yeah, crossband.